What if I told you that Samsung is about to drop a foldable so advanced, so durable, that it might just make every other smartphone look outdated? Bold claim? Maybe. But the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a game changer in the foldable world, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. Because while some upgrades will leave you excited, others, well, they might just break a few hearts. So, is Samsung finally perfecting the foldable? Or are we just looking at another incremental upgrade? Let's dive in. For years, foldables have been criticized for one thing: durability. Samsung heard that loud and clear, and with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, they're rewriting the rulebook. Leaked reports suggest this is the toughest foldable ever, thanks to an advanced internal reinforcement structure, an all-new hinge design, and, get this, an innovative dust protection system that's meant to keep the device running smoothly for years. But here's where things get really interesting: the hinge. Samsung has introduced a dust-resistant mechanism with micro brushes, ensuring fewer particles get inside. Translation: no more annoying hinge creaks after a few months of use. Plus, the redesigned mechanism means a gap-free fold, sleeker, more seamless, and far more durable than ever before. Sounds perfect, right? But wait, Samsung might have just made a decision that's leaving die-hard fans a little uneasy. Here's the shocker: Samsung might be ditching the S Pen digitizer. Yep, the one feature that turned the Fold into a productivity powerhouse could be on the chopping block, all in the name of a slimmer design. On one hand, a thinner foldable sounds fantastic. But on the other, removing a core feature that so many users love? That's a risky move. And the real kicker? Samsung still claims the Z Fold 7 will support the S Pen. But without the digitizer, the experience might not be the same. Imagine buying a sports car only to find out they removed the turbo engine to save weight. Yeah, it still works, but it's not quite the same thrill. But that's not the only surprise. Samsung is also rumored to be launching a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, bringing foldables to a wider audience. That means more people can experience foldable tech. But at what cost? Will Samsung cut corners on durability or battery life? Speaking of battery life, let's talk about one upgrade that might just make all these trade-offs worth it. For years, Samsung's foldables have been stuck with a 4,400 mAh battery. Decent, but nothing extraordinary. This time though, leaks suggest Samsung is using a highly efficient new display that could extend battery life by nearly an hour compared to its predecessor. Pair that with the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, and we're looking at serious performance gains. Faster processing, better efficiency, and, finally, battery life that can actually last through a long day. But here's the thing. While the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's best foldable yet, another mysterious device is lurking in the shadows. Rumors of Samsung's first-ever tri-fold phone are heating up. A foldable with an extra screen section? That could be the real game changer. But with the Z Fold 7 and the new G Fold looking almost identical from the front, one has to wonder, is Samsung making a mistake by keeping their designs so similar? With competition from Google's Pixel Fold and OnePlus entering the foldable game, Samsung can't afford to play it safe. The Z Fold 7 needs to be more than just an upgrade. It has to set a new standard. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 truly unbeatable? Or is it just another step toward the ultimate foldable? One thing's for sure, 2025 is shaping up to be a wild year for foldables. And if you thought the Fold 7 was exciting, wait till you see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, now with an S Pen. That's right, Samsung might be keeping the best features for an even more premium model. Want to know how it stacks up? Click here to watch my full breakdown on the Z Fold 7 Ultra now. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.